Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix screen flickering on your iPhone or glitching. So just go to settings, then scroll down until you find photos option. Just click on that, then scroll down again until you find view full HDR option. Just toggle off. Then if it's not working for you, try to force restart your iPhone. Just click on a volume up button, then release, then volume down button, then release, and keep touching power button for about 15 seconds. Let's see. Volume up, volume down, and wait until your iPhone will start restarting. About 10-15 seconds. Now it's all done. Just wait. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.